Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I want to teach you guys how to be more productive with Gemini with the use of its gems. Think of a gem as your personalized AI sidekick. It's a custom version of Gemini that you train for a specific tasks. Whether it's a creative writing partner, a coding assistant, a study buddy, or even a travel planner. The possibilities are endless, and the best part, it's incredibly easy to create one. In this video, I'll walk you through the entire process step by step. Alright, let's get started. Open your web browser and navigate to gemini.google.com. Once you're there, you'll see a familiar Gemini interface. On the left hand side, open Explore Gems and you should see a button saying New Gem. Click on it and a new window will open. From there, you can customize your gem and tailor it to your exact needs. For this tutorial, I'll make a gem for helping me write YouTube scripts for my tech channel. First, you'll see a section to name your gem. Let's call this one a script master. Next, and this is the most crucial part, you'll see a large text box where you can provide instructions for your gem. This is where you define its personality, its purpose, and how it should interact with you. Think of it as training your AI. For our YouTube script assistant, we'll give it instructions like this. You are a YouTube script writer for a tech channel. Your goal is to help me brainstorm, outline, and write engaging scripts for my videos. You should be concise, informative, and entertaining. When I give you a topic, first suggest a few catchy titles, then provide a structured outline, and finally help me write the specific sections of the script. Always maintain a friendly and enthusiastic tone, suitable for a YouTube audience. Ask clarifying questions if needed. And you can also add example prompts or example responses to further guide your gem. For instance, you can write a script for a video about the best budget gaming PCs in 2025, and the response examples should be like, sure, here are some title ideas, budget based PCs, your 2020 guide, gaming on a dime, top affordable rigs, and etc. And below that is the knowledge box where you can add documents like PDFs, Word, Excel, or spreadsheets about you, your company, your profile, your YouTube channel, or for example, you can add YouTube guidelines, and if it will essentially train itself on it. Even though about the YouTube, it already has it in its knowledge base, but you get my point, and it will train on it and give more accurate answers. And on the right side of the screen, you'll see a preview for the chat window. This is incredibly useful. As you type your instructions, you can immediately test your gem responses. This allows for real-time iteration and refinement. Once you're happy with the name and instructions, hit the save button, and just like that, your personalized AI assistant is born. Now that you've created your YouTube script assistant gem, it's time to put it to the test and refine it further. You'll be taken directly to the chat interface with your new gem and start by giving it prompt just like you would with regular Gemini. For example, I might try something like help me brainstorm ideas for a video about the new feature in Android 16 or something like that, and enter, and observe its response. Did it follow your instructions? Is the tone right? Does it provide the kind of output you were expecting, or other things? If it's not quite right, don't worry. That's part of the process. You can go back to the gems setting and change it to however you like it. And there you have it. You have successfully learned how to create, customize, and test your gem. These powerful features allows you to transfer Gemini into a highly a specialized tool for any task you can imagine. Whether it's for writing YouTube scripts, coding, studying, or planning your next adventure, gems can significantly boost your productivity and creativity. So what kind of gem will you create? Let me know in the comments below. If you find this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel for more tech tips, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of my next videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.